In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Slack and create an automatic email feed. This integration is perfect for keeping critical email updates at your fingertips right in your Slack workspace. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure everything is set up smoothly. To begin, we need to install the Gmail Slack app. Start by heading over to the Slack app directory. Once there, search for Gmail for Slack. After locating it, click on Add to Slack. It's crucial to authorize this app to access your Gmail account, so make sure you follow the prompts to allow these permissions. This step is essential as it establishes the necessary connection between your Gmail account and Slack. Now that the Gmail app is installed, let's move on to connecting your Gmail account. Within Slack, you'll see the option to Connect Account. Click on this and proceed to sign in with the Gmail account you want to integrate. You'll need to grant permissions for Slack to access this email account. This step is important because it allows Slack to fetch your emails, enabling them to appear in your chosen Slack channel. With your account connected, it's time to configure the email notifications. In Slack, navigate through the Apps section to find Gmail. Once there, choose the Gmail account you just connected. Next, decide where these emails should appear by selecting a Slack channel. You could opt for an existing channel like Hat Emails or create a new one such as Hat Inbox Feed, tailored specifically for this purpose. This channel acts as the designated space for your email feeds. Setting up triggers is a pivotal part of the configuration process. You have three options at your disposal. You can choose to receive notifications for all emails, emails from specific senders, or emails with particular keywords. These triggers allow you to customize which emails will be fetched into Slack based on your preferences. After setting these triggers, don't forget to click Save to ensure your settings are applied. Finally, let's test the automatic feed to make sure everything works as expected. Send a test email to your Gmail account. Head over to the selected Slack channel. You should see the test email appear automatically along with its subject sender, a brief snippet, and a direct link to open the full message in Gmail. This setup ensures that going forward, essential emails are seamlessly brought into your Slack workspace, allowing for efficient communication and quick access. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep your team informed about important email communications within Slack. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this integration incredibly useful in streamlining your work.